Good evening, sir. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Would you please hold it closer to your
Sure,
mouth?
is that
That's
okay?
great. And which country are you representing
I
today?
represent an Australian university.
Which university, please?
It's University of Southern Queensland and it's based in Toowoomba, Queensland State.
Okay, so how would you prefer, different states, Queensland, Perth, Canberra, Melbourne, Sydney? Which one is the best one?
I represent a university which is based in Queensland, so I'd prefer Queensland over other states. But I think every place has its pros and cons. With our university, it's a regional university, so you get all the benefits of studying at a regional university. And on top of that, because it's a smaller area, the living expenses are cheaper, and the university fee is also in budget for most of the students.
Excellent. And is it economical, you mean to say?
Sorry?
Economical.
Yes, yes, it is, definitely.
Okay. And what is the basic criteria of enrollment there?
For the basic requirement for admission, we need a student, if he's going for a bachelor's program, then we need his 12th standard results and also an English test, for example, IELTS or PT or any other proper English test. For
Okay.
a master's program, we would need a student with a 4-year bachelor degree.
Okay.
Along with that, we would also need IELTS.
Okay. And how much IELTS band score is required for taking admission there?
So for bachelor's program, we need 6 with 5.5 in each in most courses, and for master's program, we need 6.5 with 6 in each.
Okay. So it's nice. Would you like to say something more about your university,
Yeah,
please?
sure. So currently we also have 20% scholarship for the next year. So we usually have July and February intake. For both those intakes, we currently have 20% scholarship. Students can apply now and can avail the opportunity.
Excellent. So scholarship is something which is very
Yes.
enchanting for the students of Pakistan,
Yes, it is.
rather across the world. 20% of
Yes,
scholarship.
20%.
Oh my God, this is really an hell of a amount when it comes to
Yes, exactly.
talking about Australian,
I think also because otherwise the university is economical, and on top of that, if a student gets this scholarship, then it's quite under the budget for the student.
So thank you very much indeed.
you.
How are you having day here?
Oh, it's perfect. We have got a lot of students here who are inquiring about the university, the admission procedure, the visa process, and everything. Wick Park has organized this event, and they are one of our authorized agents. So if a student wants to get any information, if they cannot attend this event, they can always visit their office in Lahore and get the information about the university, about the application process, visa process, and about the university as well.
That's lovely. Thank you very much, sir,
Thank you.
for your time
You're
and
welcome.
information as
You're
well.
welcome.
Thank you very much,
Good
sir.
luck. Bye-bye.